Radio, we're out here in the field with this gentleman. Sorry, what was your
Barry.
name? With Barry?
Barry, ex-radio modeller.
All right, so you used to fly old planes and stuff?
I've flown them all. I've flown these, but not that.
Oh, you haven't? Have you flown these racing drones or seen these before?
No, I'm a real hobby king in Sydney.
Oh, okay.
I bought from them.
Yep, I'm going to have to bleep that. Trevor swears all the time as well. I've always got to bleep him for the viewers. Well, have you ever seen FPV where you put the goggles on and you see what the things?
I've heard about first-person view, and I've sort of seen other people doing it.
Yep. But
never been up close before. That's heavy, you know.
Yeah, well, I think how fast do you think this thing will go? In miles per hour. We're having a bit of a competition.
Well, I'll get that one pretty right. About 90.
90? Okay, yeah. I think you might.
Your mate told me that.
Well, you might.
Otherwise, I'd have said 30, 40.
All right, no worries. So if Trevor hadn't have said something, you thought they wouldn't have gone that quick?
No.
All right. Well,
I thought that's capable of 90.
You're in for a treat. What we're going to do, we'll do a little speed run, and then I'll show you the goggles on, and we'll show you what FPV's like, if you'd like.
What's this here?
That's your video antenna, so it comes across to your video.
Christ almighty.
And then you've got your other receiver antenna in here for your radio.
A couple of years ago, when I used to live in Torquay, there was a guy who flew them there, and he had a huge radio concept for this.
Yep.
And look at it now.
Yeah, it's shrunk down. That's 5.8 gigahertz.
Yeah, he was costing him a fortune.
All right, this is pretty cheap. Well, this is probably one of the better ones on the market. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go finish this speed test, and then we'll strap the goggles on your head and take you for a ride.
Where's your batteries in that?
We haven't put it on there yet.
Put it on now,
okay.
Well, hold on, Barry. We'll see how fast we can go.
Good on you.
All right, Barry, so we ended up getting 99 miles per hour, but now Calvin's going to be your pilot today as we fly around, and we'll try out some FPV.
Do I get a bloody parachute?
Yeah.
There you go. Just adjust those to yourself so you can see. Just move them up and down so you can got a clear image.
We can try some, excuse my fingers, do these sliders help at all? There's some little things back in.
That helps a little bit.
All right, he's about to take off, all right, Barry?
Yep, way you go. Props are going round and up she goes.
What do you think?
Wow. Jesus, that was quick. That's scary.
So you don't need orientation because you're behind. You're in the driver's seat the whole time.
What do you need that for? Yeah. He did a barrel roll, didn't he?
Yep.
Or I did.
Yeah.
Geez, you could terrorise somebody with that, couldn't you?
Well, if you were so inclined, but we're nice, safe pilots here.
Wow. You went through the gate, straight through. An obstacle course would be great, wouldn't it? I suppose you do that.
Yep. So did you think this sort of stuff was possible, this technology?
Oh, I thought it was around, but not so, what would you call it, widespread. I expected it to be worth a fortune.
Okay.
And
yeah, for a couple of $100, you know, you can get up and get flying.
Yeah.
Do you think this could be something you might want to do in the future?
Oh, yeah, I'll do it. I'll go back to it. See, I've done some of it, but not this level.
Yep.
It was the old levels where you had to work really hard. Orientation was the biggest problem. It sort of limited you to vision, really.
Yeah, no problems with this now.
You can see there's a bit of a view of Geelong you might not have seen before.
No, I haven't seen that. I haven't seen any aerial view of Geelong. Well, my criticisms would be, if it is a criticism, would be just the improvement of the video.
Yes,
quality.
That's something.
As you say, to digital is where it's got to go, hasn't it?
Well, you might have noticed you get a bit of breakup or a bit of static and those sorts of things.
Yeah. There'd be some lovely aerial stuff done nowadays.
There's a lot, yep. A lot of people do film with these.
Yeah.
And if you said you flew fixed wing, a lot of people put these sort of goggles on their. I'm just going to take them off for you. Is that all right?
Yeah, sure.
There you go.
Oh, that was impressive.
So that was your first ever FPV flight?
Yeah, that's the first person view one.
Yep.
And this is an aerial, I assume?
Yep.
Yep.
And what's this one?
That's the same thing. This is what they call diversity. So
diversity.
Yeah, so what happens is this one here is slightly different in orientation, I suppose, the best way to explain it.
This will pick up everything in every direction. It's omnidirectional. This one's just
whichever one of these, it'll pick up the strongest signal.
So for anybody, I'm going to put this out there, for anybody watching my videos, Barry, and they want to try FPV, how would you describe that experience to them?
Awesome.
Okay, no worries.
Scary.
Did you think it was fun? You enjoyed it though?
Holy
All right, thanks very much, Barry. Thank you.
Good on you, Barry. Thank you.
It's pretty